Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to enhance your user experience on the Mac desktop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's focus heavily on the desktop. If I were to, let's just say, go to the dock, that's one feature that I will always have dock turned off. I do not require the dock on screen as it does take up all those pixels. We can bring the pixels back by eliminating the dock. And for us to eliminate the dock, we would have to go to System Preferences, Dock and Menu Bar, and then we would then have to go into Dock and Menu Bar, go within dock, and then automatically hide and show the dock. If I were to click on this, the dock is no longer visible on screen. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. We can then see that the Finder is not in full screen for myself. I always have it partially in full screen so I can then see what's on my desktop. So that's another feature to enhance your user experience. The third way to enhance your user experience is to have some folders, some videos, some photos just on the desktop to know of the work that you are working within. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.